Assalamu alaikum everyone. So we just came off of a huge hike, and the first thing that we see are these beautiful woodpeckers. SubhanAllah, you can see how he's hitting the wood with his beak. SubhanAllah, look at how big of a hole he's already made. Now, cool facts about these woodpeckers. So they actually, in order to not get concussions because you're hitting the wood so hard, their tongue basically wraps around their whole entire skull, kind of acting like foam or kind of helmet.